So, it's time to talk about acreage math. This is another one of those numbers that you need to tattoo on your forearm somewhere, because you will not have access to this number on the exam, and you will certainly need it. The number of square feet in an acre. It is a magic number you must memorize. 43,560. There are 43,560 square feet in an acre of land. Now, acreage math, you can get very simple questions, you can get very complex questions. Sometimes it's a strict matter of converting from square feet to acres. Sometimes you have to go further. It's how many lots of a certain size can be developed. If you have this much money, how many lots can be developed if land costs this much per square foot, excuse me. So there are lots of different ways in which you might see acreage math questions. This is a very simple example here. It said, how many square feet are in a parcel measuring 15.45 acres. So if you want to use T-bars, you can. You can always use T-bars to help with acreage math if that helps you remember, if you like formulas and that sort of thing. So if you've got acres and 43,560, it's going to give you square footage. That is your basic T-bar for acreage conversions. Number of acres, 43,560 on the bottom, and square feet on the top. So, in this question they want to know how many square feet are in a parcel that measures 15.45 acres. Well, 15.45 goes down here in the bottom. What are we going to do if they're side by side? Multiply. 15.45 times 43,560 would give you that 673,002 square feet. And the next example, same sort of deal. Just going the opposite way. This time they give you the square footage and ask you for number of acres, right? So in that case, you got 748,000 square feet. And what are we going to do? Divide it by 43,560 to get the number of acres in that parcel of land. If they say that simple, would be good. This is an example of, so let me see before I give you that. Let me look at these questions.
The same sheet that we had
Yeah, the same sheet from last night?
from the last time.
I'm sorry, from Tuesday night.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Pull out the sheet from Tuesday night. Also, let me point out something that I'm sure most of you understand. When we talk about acreage, square footage, we talk about area. Area is always going to be length times width. So sometimes they give you lot dimensions. You know, they'll say a particular lot is 800 feet by 400 feet. How are you going to come up with the number of square feet in that lot? You're going to multiply those two numbers. 400 times 800, 32, 4 zeros, right? 320,000 square feet. And if you wanted to convert that to acres, what would you do?
Divide.
Divide by 43,560, right? Is everybody good on that? Do number in that packet from Tuesday night. I want you to go ahead and do number 10 for me real quickly.